Madison played tennis 35 times in 7 weeks. Olivia played tennis 15 times in 21 days. Are their weights equivalent, and explain your reasoning? So we have Madison, who plays 35 times in 7 weeks. Olivia plays 15 times in 21 days. Something that I do notice, though, is that Madison, we're using weeks, whereas Olivia, we're using days. So we're going to have to convert those over. So I'm actually going to convert the days into weeks. 21 days is how many weeks? And that's going to be divided by 7. So Olivia plays tennis 15 times in 3 weeks. We need to find out if these are equal. So I'm going to go ahead and simplify these. So for Madison, I'm going to divide by 7 and by 7 to find out how many times she plays in 1 week. And Madison plays 5 times in 1 week. On the other hand, I have Olivia. She's playing 15 times in 3 weeks. I'm going to divide, and that is 5 times in 1 week too. So I ran out of room. 5 times in 1 week. So their rates are equivalent. So we would explain something along the lines of the rates are equivalent because they both play 5 times a week.